Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is artist Rabia and welcome back. Guys, today we will learn that how can we make a digital print on fabric. So guys, you can see here today I have these two hands. This hand and this hand. I have downloaded these images from yandex.com. You can go and download the images from there totally free. You can see now with the help of this move tool, I am selecting this move tool, and from here I have double clicked on this lock and this let's start dialog box will appear, and I am crossing this with the help of this magic pen tool. I am clicking here and simply press delete button. Guys, you can see this, I have deleted my background. Now if I select this with the help of move tool, you can see I have selected this. Now if I go into this image, I want to remove its background, so I simply click on this and I click here. You can see I have selected this. Now if I press delete button, but here is some of the distortion. You can see I have this right here. If I press here and press delete button, it can be deleted, and if I press here and delete, it is also deleted. But if you want more accuracy, you can see if I double click, you can see some of the distortion in this eye. So guys, I'm pressing Ctrl Z to undo my selection, and I will just decrease the toleration. First of all, I'm going into the select and I'm selecting the color range. Guys, from here if I select on this color and I hit OK, over here I have same distortion here too. I can't remove it because if I remove, then these white parts will also remove. So I'm pressing Ctrl Z to undo my selection, and simply with the help of this magic wand tool, if I click here, if I decrease its tolerance to about 20, let's check this. If I click here, this is giving this type, so I'm pressing delete button. We will fix it later, okay? And I'm deleting here too. So now guys, you can see I have this right here. Now if I go into the file and I select the new file of pixel 1600 by 1600, let's select the size from here, 1600 by 1600. I want this design to be printed on my shirt, so I'm taking the resolution to 300 and the color mode is RGB, background content is white. Hit OK. Guys, the new document is opening. You can see right here I have this new document. With the help of this move tool, I'm unlocking this layer by clicking on this lock. So the layer style dialog box is appeared. I'm just crossing it. You can see over here I have this hand. If I click on this and I drag with the help of my mouse this document into this, you can see I have this over here. You can fix, if I show you with the help of content, I'm just decreasing its size. You can see I'm decreasing its size somehow more and more. Now guys, I'm just going to define my source from here by pressing Alt button, and now I'm taking the new layer. Remember that whenever you are working with the clone stamp tool, always work on the new layer. So I will just go over here, taking the clone source from here by pressing Alt button, and let me decrease its size a bit more. Just paint here like this. I'm selecting this white portion from here. Now I'm going to fill its pupil. Guys, you can see this, it is okay for me. Now if you want to merge these two layers, simply press Ctrl E to merge. Now by pressing Ctrl T, I'm increasing its size a bit. Like this, I'm increasing its size. So guys, now for now I'm going into I'm just pressing Ctrl J to duplicate my layer first. Ctrl J is the shortcut key to duplicate the layer. From here on this down layer, I'm hiding the upper layer. On the down layer, I'm going into the filter, and from here into the other, I'm giving the offset option. You can see here I have the offset here 600 by 600. I'm hitting OK. Guys, now you can see this, I have this hand, so I'm dragging this here with the help of my mouse. This is very easy. You can see I have this right here. Now I had this too. I will just decrease its size and place it anywhere I want. I'm placing this right here and I'm flipping it. Guys, I'm placing this here too. Guys, you can see I have these two stars, this one and this one. I'm just dragging it into my file, into my design here. Let's decrease its size. By clicking on transform, Ctrl T, you can fix it at anywhere you want. Guys, now I want to select this star, but it has the background with it. So I'm just going into the select into the color range, and I'm clicking on this white portion. Hit OK button and simply press delete button. See this, the background is deleted very easily. Place this where you want to have your stars. Let's decrease its size. Guys, by pressing Alt button, I'm making multiple copies. You can either rotate it as you want. You can see now this is okay for me. On this down layer, this layer, I'm going to make a new solid layer. You can see here, from here you can make the solid layer. If I go over here and select the black color, you can see how will this my pattern look. If you want to delete some of the stars, you can also go and delete. Or if you want to resize, simply click on any of the star, your layer will select it and you can resize. I'm just going and making the stars somehow smaller. If I go over here and I show the benefit of this solid color adjustment layer, you can see if I select any of the color, the colors are being changing. Wow, I'm just loving these colors. Guys, you can see you can change your colors from here and give your photos the very fantastic looks. Make sure to save your file in PSD so that you can change these colors later. Okay. Guys, I will go with this color. This is my good color. But first, let's see this color. This is also looking good. Pink color. This. The colors are being changing by this. By clicking on this solid color adjustment layer, you can fix your colors. I'm going with this color. I'm hitting OK. Guys, now in this edit panel, I'm going to define the pattern. I'm clicking on this and I'm naming it here as hand pattern. Hit OK. Now I want to have this pattern on the larger size, so I'm going into the new and I'm just going here with 3600 by 3600. Guys, make sure whenever you are selecting your fabric to be printed, mark here the size which you want for your fabric. Okay, so I'm going with this size. Now if I press, I have this layer style dialog box, I'm crossing this. Now if I press shift F5, you can see my this fill dialog box will appear. From here into the pattern content, I'm going to fill my this pattern. Guys, you can see I have these two my more patterns here. So now if I click on this, I have this my hands pattern here. Guys, you can see this is looking very cool. You can see its resolution, that is also very good. You can see it is clear, it is very clear. So guys, this is all for today. If you like, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates of designs to be fabric to be printed. Okay, this is artist Rabia signing off. Allah Hafiz.